Have you ever heard of the concept of planned obsolescence? This idea has existed since 1924, meaning that manufacturers intentionally reduce the lifespan of products to force customers to buy more. Back then, a group of businessmen met in Geneva and decided to reduce the lifespan of light bulbs from 2,500 hours to just 1,000 hours, all so customers would have to buy new bulbs. Today, the automotive industry is using a similar strategy, but in a more sophisticated way. Companies install weak components, hard-to-fix transmissions, and engines with limited lifespan, causing cars to die early and forcing owners to return to the dealer repeatedly. But fortunately, there have been times in history when engineers managed to beat the accountants, creating cars so durable that mechanics were almost unemployed. These cars run reliably, have low ownership costs, and have even become legends. Let's explore 7 cheap cars that if you buy them, your mechanic will almost go bankrupt because they hardly require any major repairs. These are smart choices for used car buyers who want long-term savings while still owning a dependable vehicle. Let's get started. If you're looking for a classic example of a car that leaves mechanics with almost nothing to do, the Mercedes-Benz W123 300D is the proof. Produced from the late 1970s to the early 1980s, this sedan quickly became an icon of mechanical durability. The standout feature of the W123 is its OM617 5-cylinder diesel engine, entirely mechanical. No sensors, no computers, no troublesome software, just metal, oil, and timeless mechanical principles. The design is simple yet robust, allowing anyone with basic mechanical knowledge to perform maintenance using standard tools. This means the car is almost never troubled by electronic issues or complex systems, and you won't need to call a mechanic constantly. In terms of durability, the W123 is nearly immortal. Many of these cars still run over 2 million miles, with the engine performing like new. Across Africa and Southeast Asia, you can still see W123 taxis running day after day without an engine replacement. Harsh climates, rough roads, and even drivers who neglect maintenance cannot bring it down. This is the car every American once dreamed of. Durable, reliable, and never leaving you stranded. So why did manufacturers hate it? Clearly, being too durable becomes a business problem. When customers don't need repairs, fewer parts are sold, and revenue from services drops. Mercedes quickly realized that if they kept making cars like this, they would lose profits from maintenance services. The result? Later models had to change, quality decreased, technology became more complex, all to ensure mechanics always had work and the company kept earning money. Another remarkable feature is its resistance to rust. If kept clean, the W123 is nearly immortal, and a well-preserved used model is a treasure for anyone seeking a long-lasting car with minimal repairs. Low ownership costs, few breakdowns, and a driving experience free from hassle. That's what makes the W123 a symbol of true durability. If you think cheap cars always break down, the 7th-generation Honda Civic will definitely make you rethink that. Launched in the late 1990s and early 2000s, this compact car quickly became an immortal machine in the budget segment. It appears on this list not for luxury or speed, but for its astonishing durability. Almost no mechanic needed, a rarity in today's automotive world full of electronic failures and expensive parts. The standout feature of the Civic 7 is its 1.7L 4-cylinder engine, extremely simple in design, yet highly durable, almost never experiencing minor failures. The 5-speed manual transmission further enhances the car's mechanic-proof reputation. Easy to operate, easy to maintain, and minimizes complex electronic issues. The overall lightweight, straightforward design makes the Civic 7 a perfect choice for anyone wanting a reliable car without worrying about unexpected breakdowns. As for advantages, the Civic 7 is practically a used car buyer's dream. The car is cheap, ownership costs are low, and most parts are easy to remove. You can even fix minor issues at home. Parts are surprisingly affordable. An alternator costs around $80, a water pump $40. All easy to replace and low effort. The engine is not overstressed, has high longevity, and the car rarely suffers minor failures, meaning owning a Civic 7 almost never triggers the unexpected repair fees that other brands expect. However, not everything is perfect. Automatic transmission versions have more issues and shorter lifespan compared to manual versions. The simple solution: if you want a long-lasting Civic 7, go for the 5-speed manual. This is the cheat code to owning a car that hardly needs a mechanic. In terms of real-world value, the Civic 7 is considered worth every penny. Cheap, durable, low ownership costs, and almost never traps you in expensive repairs. Ideal for those who want long-term savings while still enjoying a reliable driving experience. In short, the 7th-generation Honda Civic 5-speed manual version is a smart choice for used car buyers. Few breakdowns, simple repairs, low costs. It's one of those cheap cars where mechanics are almost out of work. In other words, if you want a durable, reliable, and economical car, the Civic 7 is a true treasure in today's automotive world. Ever thought that cheap SUVs always break down? Take a look at the Jeep Cherokee XJ from the 1990s, a true legend among off-road enthusiasts and gearheads. This isn't just an ordinary SUV, it's a machine that almost never yields to tough engines or rough terrain, leaving mechanics sighing because there's hardly any major work to do. The Cherokee XJ is highly praised for its 4L inline-6 engine, originally designed for tractors. No need to over-explain, the engine is extremely durable, withstands heat and stress well thanks to the cast-iron block and head. On top of that, the mechanical layout is extremely basic, with almost no complicated electronics, making diagnostics and maintenance extremely simple. The result? A cheap SUV that can be abused, run continuously, and still remain reliable. The Cherokee XJ is a dream for any SUV lover. High torque ensures stable operation even when heavily loaded or on rough terrain. Amazing engine durability, still running even if a few cylinders fail. Low ownership costs, as most minor repairs can be done without a professional mechanic. And flexible off-road capability, enduring all conditions. Truly a cheat code for anyone wanting a cheap but reliable long-term SUV. That being said, this SUV isn't without weaknesses. The body is prone to rust, especially in humid regions. Interior parts like doors, handles, seats, or AC can fail over time, but the most important part, the engine, keeps running as if nothing happened. Focus on the heart of the vehicle, and everything else is just minor details. Another notable point is the ease of DIY repairs. Many basic issues can be fixed at home, saving maintenance costs. Engine parts are durable, cheap, and rarely need replacement. Despite rust or minor interior failures, the Cherokee XJ retains its real-world value thanks to its reliable performance. When it comes to cars that can almost make mechanics unemployed, the Lexus LS400, launched in 1989, is a prime example. Toyota bet everything on creating a luxury sedan to compete directly with Mercedes-Benz, and the result was somewhat unexpected. The LS400 was so durable that the service market barely had a chance to profit from it. It's a living proof of the saying, sometimes engineers beat accountants. What made the LS400 stand out from earlier Lexus models? Probably the V8 1UZ-FE engine, crafted with precision likened to aerospace engineering. Extremely tight tolerances, engine components manufactured far beyond the standard machining capabilities of that time. The overall design was not only low maintenance, but also incredibly durable, focusing on long-term stability. Put simply, you could drive an LS400 for hundreds of thousands of miles with almost no serious issues. A near impossible feat in today's luxury car world. In terms of durability, the LS400 is nearly immortal. Many still run over 1 million miles with the original engine, offering stable and powerful performance without being overworked. Maintenance costs are low, and minor repairs are almost non-existent, meaning owners don't have to deal with the surprise expenses that other luxury cars often impose. From a business perspective, Toyota was willing to sell the LS400 at a loss to gain market share from Mercedes-Benz. Yet the car was so durable that the maintenance market struggled. Mechanics had almost no work. The LS400 became living proof that engineering quality can surpass business profit, creating a product that theoretically requires very little repair. Another notable point, The LS400 has been described as a car that stole technology from the past. Timeless quality, more durable than most models that came after. Almost no minor failures, low long-term maintenance costs, making it an ideal choice for anyone seeking a used luxury car without the hassle of frequent repairs. The Buick Park Avenue and LeSabre, equipped with the 3800 V6 engine, one of the most reliable engines in GM history. This is a car where mechanics are almost out of work, demonstrating the refusal to die of GM engines. A design so durable that other manufacturers can only look on in admiration. The standout feature of the 3800 V6 is its moderate power output, but extreme durability. Simple design, few complex components, virtually no troublesome electronics, entirely focused on long-term stability. The result? A car with few minor issues, capable of running for many years with only basic maintenance, rarely requiring the mechanic's attention. Typical owners of these cars are often older drivers, who drive slowly and maintain their vehicles carefully. Combined with the durable engine, the car's lifespan is maximized and repair costs are almost negligible. This is a car for anyone who wants a long-lasting, reliable, low-risk sedan, a dream for any used car buyer. Another notable advantage not found in every car is the availability of original models. Many remain in original condition, still high quality. The engine rarely encounters serious issues. Ownership costs are low, thanks to simple repairs and inexpensive, easy-to-replace parts. In other words, you can drive these cars for many years without having to pay for major replacements, a rare thing in today's American car market. Durable engine, cheap parts, and almost no failures, this truly is a cheap yet nearly immortal car in the GM sedan lineup. An excellent choice for used car buyers wanting to avoid unexpected high maintenance costs. It's no exaggeration to say that mechanics rarely have to fix these cars simply because there's almost nothing to fix. If you've ever wondered which American sedan hardly knows minor issues, the Ford Crown Victoria with its 4.6L V8 engine is the answer. This is not just a cheap car, it's a symbol of durability and practicality. For many years, the Crown Victoria was the top choice for police, taxis, and livery services, thanks to its toughness and extremely low maintenance costs, leaving mechanics a little disappointed because there was almost no major work to do. For car enthusiasts, the body-on-frame design of the Crown Victoria allows for quick repairs in case of collisions and easy replacement of parts. The 4.6L V8 engine is built tough, rarely fails, and can run continuously without rest. Spare parts are widely available across the U.S., easy to find and replace, making ownership simple and economical. The overall design focuses on durability and long-term operation, without relying on luxury features or complex technology. A straightforward approach that modern American cars rarely see. In terms of durability and performance, the Crown Victoria is legendary. Cars ran 24/7 in police, taxi, and livery services for over 30 years with almost no major breakdowns. High load capacity, continuous operation in harsh conditions, and low maintenance costs, something many modern cars can only dream of. It truly demonstrates an American car that is nearly immortal in daily use. However, this durability became a problem for Ford. Because the cars were so long-lasting, fleets and services didn't need to replace them early, which reduced revenue. Ford decided to discontinue the Crown Victoria to push customers toward the new Taurus, which was more expensive and less durable, a prime example of how too much durability can directly impact a company's profits. Another notable point, the Crown Victoria is extremely easy to maintain. Simple repairs, cheap and widely available parts. If you're looking for a used car that is long-lasting, low-cost, and reliable, the Crown Victoria is an option you can't overlook. Finally, at the end of this list is the Toyota Land Cruiser. This is a car that is inexpensive relative to its quality, extremely long-lived, requires almost no major repairs, and is famous for operating in harsh conditions around the world, from scorching deserts to humid jungles and rugged mountains. If you're wondering why this Land Cruiser made the list, let us explain. The answer lies in its design for long-term durability. It can endure 25 years of continuous use under harsh conditions. Thick, strong steel frame, oversized parts built to reduce wear and damage. The result is an extremely durable car, rarely experiencing serious failures, running reliably over the long term. A feat many modern SUVs can only dream of. In terms of durability and performance, the Land Cruiser lasts twice as long as ordinary cars, still running well after many years of use. Near-perfect reliability, minimal part replacement, low maintenance costs relative to lifespan, and excellent economic efficiency. Practically, this is a car you can keep long-term without worrying about surprise repair bills. The Land Cruiser's value also surprises many. Not only durable, but its value increases over time, especially older models sought after by collectors and knowledgeable buyers. Compared to modern SUVs with complex technology, hybrids, or twin-turbo engines, the old Land Cruiser is far more durable and reliable, making it a smart investment if you want a car that truly retains value over time. Think the strengths of this Toyota end there? Think again. The Land Cruiser is an icon against planned obsolescence. It proves that manufacturers can absolutely build cars to last, but most choose shorter lifespans to increase profit. The Land Cruiser is living proof that superior design can endure, and it's the only car on this list whose financial value actually increases over time thanks to exceptional durability. In short, this is the SUV every used car buyer dreams of. Cost-effective, reliable, and long-lasting in value. If you want an American or Japanese car without the headache of constant repair bills, the Land Cruiser is a smart choice you cannot ignore. Overall, the 7 cars on this list break all the usual rules about cars that fail early. They are so durable that mechanics almost have no major work to do, making you wonder if manufacturers really want their customers to keep driving their cars for the long term. So, if you're looking for a reliable used car, consider the models on this list. They not only help you save money in the long run, but also help you avoid the financial traps of cheap cars that constantly need repairs, draining your wallet. What about you? If you had the chance, which of these 7 cars would you choose to own? Or do you have any other recommendations for a car that just keeps running and hardly ever needs repairs? Share your thoughts below and let us know. To wrap up, this video is created strictly for educational and informational purposes, drawing on publicly available sources, manufacturer documentation, and extensive automotive research. It is not intended to favor, endorse, or criticize any specific car brand or model. Our goal is simply to provide insights and practical knowledge that can help you make smarter decisions as a car owner or buyer. Thank you for taking the time to watch and learn with us. Don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth automotive insights, leave a comment if you have questions or experiences to share, and we'll see you in the next video.